Hello guys, I am Narendra Kumar from English on English Training Academy. Today I am here to tell you all about that how to achieve your goal. And first of all, I would like to thank to sir to give me this golden opportunity to say those things or my words on this topic. So I am starting. Let's begin. What is goal? First of all, that thing, the desire to achieve something. What is something? Here something means your outcomes you want to do in your life and to achieve success. What is success? Success is that which is accepted after accepting or achieving your target. After that, what is target? All those things which you desire, which I have already told you. So why it is need to set your goal? It is need to focus on the way on which you are running or going. Like that, if you want to be successful in your life, then you have to first of all set your goal. What is your goal? And it must be desired, full on focus, and all of these are focusing on your goal. After that, how to achieve your goal? So let's come on the main topic. First, set a motivational goal. Like that, first your goal has a motivation and it always motivates you that why you choose it. If you choose a goal that you want to achieve that and you are in a society and you told to your friends or otherwise society that I want to be this or achieve that thing, then whatever you think, tell to those that I will achieve this, and while telling those their things, you have courage and proud that I want to be that thing and I will achieve that. And make sure it is thing that it always a motivation like that. If you want to be a businessman, that the society people ask you why you want to choose this. This is not a social service, not a government job, and how will you achieve it? There is so many losses in this. If you fail in your business, then how will you make your image in society? To that, if you told them that it is not a social service and not a government job, but if I have succeeded to achieve my target and I can make a business empire, then I can give employment to thousands of people. Those are unemployed, and that thing which has not done by the government job and social working, I can do by doing my business. So after that, I also told you that your goal should be a motivational. It always motivates you, because whenever it motivates you, you will think about your goal, that I have to achieve that my goal, and it always awaken you to desire. After that, the second point will come. Set specific goal. Like your goal must be clear, focusing, and like specific in its own. If you have a vague and generally goal, then you will not achieve that, because it is not clear that you are interested in that goal or not. You are desiring that, yeah, I want to be a person which have employment, but it is not necessary that you have employment in future, because you are not considering it. After that, the turn comes out of measurable. Your goals should be measurable, like you can measure them, not in like weight, all those, but like a person who decide that I will become something, but he fill the forms of many exams at one time, all those, and after he was thinking that what subject I will start to learn, then he had lot of confusions about that, all the things, and he decided that what will do. After that, so you must be measure your goals 2, 3, and also bind the limitations of your goals. After that, your goals must be attainable. Like you have those goals which you can achieve. Not that like you are a student of arts and you want to be an engineer. Then how can you do it? Because you don't know about maths and all those. And how will you achieve that? So always think about those things, and after make your goal sure. After that, relevant. Your goal must be a, like whenever you start to think about your goal, you start from the basic level things, like I have to give this time to my goal, this time to my other things, and all those things. After that, time bound. Give the particular time to your goal, like 2 hours, 3 hours in a day. After that, the turn comes off of point third. That goal you want to achieve. First, know all the things about that you are want to achieve that thing, you want to achieve that goal, all those. After that, make it right, because whenever you write it, you have remembered all the things about that I will achieve that goal. Because if you didn't write it in anywhere, then you forgot about after some time you forgot about that, and you will busy in your other works and in your life. Then after that, I am like telling you what the profit of writing it. If you write it, then it always remember you, and it always motivates you also that this work you have to do. After that, it then comes out, you write your goals at that places which you are visiting always, like in your house, in your bedroom, like and in your study room, all those there things, in your books. And always give 15 to 20 minutes to your goal in thinking, and do all the things practically, because it always motivate you to achieve your goal. After that, how to follow all those things in your life. To achieve your goal, there are 3 ways. First, process. Second, performance, and the last is success. In process, all those attempts you are doing at present time will help you in that processes, because you are doing your best at that time, and you are giving 2 hours, 3 hours, all those things to your goal. That will help you in future, because it is no time take rest. After that, performance. If you have an opportunity to show your skills, all those things, then give your best first, and didn't think that I am not good, and always be positive. After that, success. If you always from starting, process, performance, all those things you are doing better, and you are giving your best in those, then you will surely achieve your target, and you will be success in your life. In our society, there are 3 types of people. First, who directly achieve their target, like that they prepare too much in his life and get success in first attempt. Second, those people who are also preparing too much with equal dose, but they didn't get success in first attempt. After that, the third type of people, they are also doing equally to both of those, but they didn't get success in their life. So in first type of people, type of people, they have courage and they self confidence that we will do it, like they have opportunity to show them. Then they don't think like that what will people think about us. They think only those that we are the best, and they don't show their negative things. They always show their positive and their skills. After that, the second type of people, they always think that if we show us in front of people, then they think that we have lack of these things and all of those. Then I want to say, those people, only one thing, that no one will be the perfect in his life. You have to make yourself perfect. After that, the people of third type, they think that if we will show us in front of people, then they will laugh on us, all those things. So, and what things they will think about us. Then I want to say only one thing to all those people, that If you will think that what people are thinking, then what will they think? So after that, if you want to achieve your target, then first of all you have to drop that thinking from your mind, because it is an intoxicant for your mind, due to which they are not getting success in their life. Because it not matter that your body is healthy or not, but it matters that your mind is healthy or not. Because if you are ill from your body, then it not matters, because you can rest and after some time you will be fine. But if your mind will be ill, then it will took so many time to healthy again. And if you are taking illness of mind from longer time, then it will not healthy again. I want to say only one thing to all those people who want to get success in your life, that always respect the way which you are on which you are running, and you are going to achieve your goal. It not matters that way is short, otherwise long. It matters that how, by which side you are seeing that way. If you are hesitating to discussing about your way to the people, that means you are not respecting your way from which you get success. So that's all.